In the heart of Arvada, homeowners face a hidden challenge that strikes unseen: leaky pipes. These silent culprits lurk at pipe joints or beneath the surface, corroded over time, leading to water damage and soaring water bills. The problem intensifies during winter, when freezing temperatures put our plumbing at risk. But, Arvada residents, there's a solution within reach. By calling 888-501-1193, you can connect with qualified professionals ready to tackle your plumbing woes. Don't let leaks drain your resources and peace of mind. Act now. Protect your home and save on your water bill. Call today, because every drop saved is a victory against waste.